Welcome back to another new video of Sfdc Saga. So in this video you are going to learn how you can find day of week using Apex. So we'll be covering two scenarios in this. So in first scenario we'll be using system.today method, and in the second scenario we'll be passing the data string and then finding the date of the week. Okay, so let's start coding. Our both snippets are ready, so let's execute this one by one. So first snippet is we are using date method, so let's select this. I'm clicking on Ctrl+Shift+T and I'm selecting this, that is execute anonymous Apex using current selected text. Our output has been generated. You can see it over here, that is returning Friday. Select this and click on Ctrl+F and search for user. You'll be able to find it over here. Okay, so let's run the second. I will do the same thing, and I'll be clicking on first one. You can see over here, day of the week has been returned Friday again. Okay, so these are the two ways you can find day of the week. So we are using format, which is allowing us to convert that specific date, whatever we have passed, to the specific format, and then we are returning that as an output. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to this channel and have not been subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.